So good evening, everyone. So today we are going to start the most important topic that will carry the highest maximum marks in GATE 2024. That is the artificial intelligence. And one more topic is the machine learning. The artificial intelligence, there are few topics on search methods, a few topics on knowledge representation and reasoning. So we start with the search methods, and along with that, I'll be going with the knowledge representation and reasoning also. So the way I will teach search methods. Actually, I have already prepared these lectures on search methods for IIT, artificial intelligence search methods for problem solving. How I solved? Yeah, I have taken the weekly assignment. I have solved those questions step by step, and thus in the same way you have to solve. Okay, so from those notes only you have to prepare the notes. It will be easy to understand because the questions might come from those assignments, and those assignments are very important. So the topics I have discussed is through the assignments only. The assignment questions and how the assignment questions are solved. In that way, I have solved all the topics, and all the topics will be available over here. Yeah, what happens when suppose what happened in IIT IIT Madras? They have taken week two. Week two means there are three assignments. Okay, so I have merged all the three assignments and made a one lecture video, and I have solved those questions. You have to go through those videos and you have to prepare your own lectures, and the lectures are already prepared. So do not worry. Yeah, every day one lecture will come because it is already prepared, and along with that knowledge representation, artificial intelligence, knowledge representation and reasoning, few topics will come from that part also. So those are also prepared, so you will get ready-made lectures. Yeah, in a day, suppose two lectures you're getting, or one lecture one day, because the lectures will be lengthy, 1 hour 25 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, in that way. So first let us solve these questions, let us solve these topics, and then we can come for the test. First let me complete this. As I said, in December I have to complete all the topics. So I have already prepared the lectures, and the lectures are ready. Now I'm going to post those lectures, and you just have to go through those lectures, prepare your notes, own notes, and that's all. Now how to do, let me tell you. First, ये नहीं जब means what you did. सामने lecture, yeah, the video is playing. 1 hour 25 video minutes video means it's a very lengthy video. I'm telling you. यदि half an hour की video है तो half an hour video takes almost 2 hours to complete or 3 hours to complete, because you have to understand and you have to write. Now I'm going to tell you the shortcut method to go through the video and write down the notes. What you have to do when first time you are watching the lecture? Okay, do not keep any pen or paper in front of you. Nothing is required. As if you are watching a movie, in that way you have to go through the lectures. Okay, पहले वो lecture पूरा complete कर लिए, पूरा देख लिए. Yeah, and if you have doubt, you can comment on the comment section, or you can message me also. Okay. The other then in the for the second time when you are watching the lecture, then you take a pen and paper and then you write it. तो क्या होगा उसमें आपको और क्लियर होगा कॉन्सेप्ट. अच्छा सर ऐसे बोला था, जाना पहचाना, इट विल बी नोन that this is like this, this topic is like this. So in that way you do. Okay, so it will take less time and you can complete the lectures. Because 1 hour 25 minutes means it's huge. 1.5 घंटे का lecture होगा, because I am merging the videos ना. It is a lengthy video. So 1 hour 25 minutes means it will take almost 5 to 6 hours to complete that lecture. I'm telling you. So what you do? Yeah, you do first watch the lecture as if you are watching a movie, and then you keep write on pen and paper. And I hope you understood the thing, and let's start. Thank you.